release the Red Hat Enterprise Linux and version 10. To download Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10, go to the website developers.redhat.com and you can download from here. I already downloaded the Red Hat 10, so I am just going to install the Red Hat 10. I am using VMware Workstation 16 Pro. So now I am going to install RHEL 10 on the VMware Workstation 16 Pro. To install RHEL 10, click create a new virtual machine from here, or you can go to the file and click new virtual machine. Typical I am selecting, it's also a recommended option. To install RHEL 10 in VMware Workstation, you can click the create a new virtual machine or go to the file and click new virtual machine and select the typical. It's also recommended by Workstation. Click next and show the ISO file on here. RHEL ISO. It's give the warning could not detect operating system. It's okay, no issue, because in Workstation 16 the latest RHEL is 8. The latest installed RHEL is 8. That's why the problem is happening. Go to the Linux, select RHEL 8. Here you can see the RHEL 8. Maybe Workstation 17 or later they supported Linux RHEL 10. It supported RHEL 8, not means it not be installed RHEL 10. The RHEL 10 will be installed here, no issue. So I am selecting RHEL 8. Next, I am giving the name RHEL. Whatever name you prefer, you can browse the folder where you want to store the file. So I want to store the file into the lab, and I am making the folder also called RHEL. Okay, see the folder RHEL. Now select the next, and I am giving 100 GB. Split virtual disk is okay, no issue. Next, customize the hardware you can, or you can finish it. After finishing, I am just changing a few things. The RAM I am increasing 4 GB. Processor should be 4 core, and network adapter will be NAT. NAT actually, why I am choosing the NAT, because it automatically I want to go to the internet. Now I am starting the machine. Here you select the install Red Hat Enterprise 10. Enter. Here this is the page, and I am selecting language as a English with United States. Now continue. Here the installation destination, and I just click the local standard disk and done. I don't want to modify anything else. Maybe I have to do it again. Okay, now automatically partitioning selected. User setting, I can enable the root account or disable it. I want to enable. Just give a password it asks me allow root SSH login with the password, means when you want to do SSH with root, is it supported? Yes, I want to allow it. Now click done. Here the user creation, you can do it now or you can do it later. I will do it later. Begin installation. So now the installation process has been completed. So I just reboot the system. Now my system has been rebooted. So start setup, service location. Now I am creating the user called network with Emon. Click next, set the password. Click next, start using Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Now we successfully installed Red Hat 10 in our VMware Workstation. Now I am going to command line and see cat etc OS release the Red Hat Enterprise Linux and version 10. I am targeting to make a full series of administration on Linux. So stay with me, hit the subscribe button.